Ladies and gentlemen, good day. I'm going to show you how to verify your OKX account. So let us get in. If this is your homepage, this is what it looks like. There is a verify now button. However, you can go over to the right hand side and there's a little profile image there, and you can go down and look for verification, and here you will be able to verify your account as an individual or an institution. We're going to go ahead individual, and now you will have to have your ID with you. You'll also need to take a selfie, and you'll have some personal information. So what you're going to do here is you're going to tap in your country of region, and then you're going to select your ID type. So that's either a driver's license, a national ID card, or a passport, and you're going to tap on next. Now, once you get into this page here, you will have to actually get the app on your mobile device. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to scan this QR code with my mobile device, and it will now automatically open in my OKX application. So this is what it looks like, and we're going to go ahead and tap on Start Verification, and it will just take a few seconds. We're going to open it in the OKX app. So once you are in here, you are going to have to take a photograph of your identification document, and then you will also have to take a selfie picture, and it'll take a few seconds to verify your account. And once that's done, you're in and you can start using your OKX account. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.